Hey guys, this is Jenna from the Belvid Learning Academy. Today we're going to be learning about acids and bases. A few objectives for today are going to be the properties of acids and bases, being able to differentiate between the two, understanding the pH scale, and we're also going to learn how we can test if a substance is an acid or a base. So how can you tell if a substance is an acid? I want you to take the example of lemon juice. Lemon juice has a very sour taste. Now, lemon juice is a weak acid. If you have a strong acid, the smell will most likely burn your nose and throat. Textures of acids tend to be kind of sticky and they react quickly with metals. On the other hand, I want you to take the example of baking soda. If you add too much baking soda in your cookie dough and you bake those cookies off, it will have a very bitter taste. That is because baking soda is a base. Smell baking soda, it'd be odorless because bases are odorless. Their texture is fairly slippery, just like floor detergent, and they react quickly with oils and fats. As you can see in the picture on the right, there are a bunch of H pluses. Now those H pluses represent hydrogen ions. Acids are rich in hydrogen ions. The more hydrogen ions you have in an acid, the higher the concentration. Take the example of instant coffee and hot milk. The more powder of coffee you put, the stronger coffee taste will be. Same thing here. The more hydrogen ions, the stronger the acid is, meaning the higher the concentration. As the concentration gets higher, the pH gets lower. Similarly, bases contain a large amount of hydroxide ions. Now, the hydroxide ions are the OH negatives that you see floating in the solution. Just like the coffee example, the more you put, the stronger it is, meaning the higher the concentration. So the higher the concentration of hydroxide ions, the stronger the base. As the base gets stronger, the solution has a higher pH. As you can see on the left, you see a scale. This scale is called the pH scale that is used to measure concentrations. If you were to take the example of lemon juice and tomato juice, lemon juice has a pH of 2 while tomato juice has a pH of 4. Now if you were to drink both lemon juice and then tomato juice, lemon juice would have a much more sour taste. That is because it has a lower pH, so it is a stronger acid. Similarly, if you were to take seawater with a pH of 8 and soapy water with a pH of 12, soapy water would have a much more bitter taste. That is because it has a higher pH, meaning it is more basic. Now, when you drink water, it is neither acidic nor basic. That is because anything with a pH of 7, for example, distilled water, is neutral. So scientists use the pH scale to measure different concentrations. How can we at home measure the concentrations and determine if a substance is an acid or a base? If you were to place a blue litmus paper and have it come in contact with that solution, the blue litmus paper would turn red. On the other hand, if you were to place and the red color indicates an acid. But on the other hand, if you were to place a red litmus paper and have it come in contact with the solution, the red litmus paper would turn into the color blue, indicating that you have a base. So that was your quick lesson on acids and bases. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.